All right, well, just got done with court, and summarize what happened. I walked in there. It's kind of one of the first ones there. They looked over my ticket, and before they made any type of offer or whatever, they wanted to make sure I'm recording. I am. Look at my abstract. If you don't know what an abstract is, it is just a piece of paper showing what your previous driving record is. Luckily, they couldn't pull mine up for whatever reason, so they gave me an offer to take a motorcycle safety course. Once I do that, and once I print out that certificate, they want me back here in exactly 1 month, just under a month. Seems like I'm definitely getting a slap on the wrist. I'm not gonna take the full penalty, so fortunately I can't make a video, so we will get back to you guys in about 1 month. It's crazy, it's been a month already. Holy shit. So yeah, I'm on my way back to court. They had me take a 6-hour online course, a point reduction, even though I don't have any points. So they wanted me, or the judge rather, wanted me to do that course. What are you doing, bro? I'll park my shit right here, boy.
A few moments later.
So, keep it short, long story short, no points on my license due to my course, and my insurance will not go up, and $243 fine after the court fee and stupid bullshit. So yeah, would I recommend speeding? Yes. Will I do it again? Yes. Was it worth it? Not necessarily. It wasn't worth it. I didn't want to have to go through this trouble and money bullshit, but you know, it is what it is. I'll make more.
Sweet.